this is the lift. You're going to push it just off the front edge. You're going to lower it down. You're going to let it sit there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring it up. That is the lift. The other option that was discussed on the board was to bring it down, then grip. You can't seemingly get a good grip that way. I mean, I don't think with a heavy hammer it's going to work. So what I want to do now is I want to show the angle so that in training you guys can get what we're doing.
What's it read? 62, 63?
And that is the lift. Shut her off.